All right, let's provide the solution to this question. Okay, so we have x plus cube root of x plus 5 equals to 5. Okay, now let's observe this question well. Now we have x plus 5. So can we get x plus 5 here so that we take it out? Okay, yes. So if I say let y be x plus 5, I'll get x plus, okay, cube root of y equals to 5. All right, so I ought to get y here. Okay, so I have to form the same thing here. So what I'm going to do here is to add 5, okay, to both sides of the equation to make this side x plus 5. Okay, so we have x plus 5 plus cube root of y equals to 5 plus 5. So my x plus 5 plus cube root of y equals to 10. But remember, x plus 5 is y, so I'll put y here plus cube root of y equals to 10. All right, now I want to do one more substitution. Okay, all right, so I want to change this one y here. We know anytime we're given cube root, okay, then what we have here is to the power 3. It will cancel. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to let y be or a variable cube. Okay, so let y be t cube. All right, so we have y, which is t cube. So t cube plus cube root t cube equals 10. So we have t cube plus t, okay, equals 10. All right, so t cube plus t equals 10 is here. All right, so let's arrange this one well. So t cube plus t minus 10 equal to 0. All right, now I want to apply the product of cubes. Okay, so I'll write this one as t cube plus t minus 8 minus 2 equal to 0. So minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. So I've done nothing. Okay, so I can say t cube minus 8, okay, plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have this one here. Now when we're given a cube minus b cube is the same as a minus b, a squared, okay, plus ab plus b squared. So I can change this 8 to the power 3 so that it will be this rule. So minus 2 to the power 3 plus t minus 2 equals to 0. All right. So this side will be t minus 2 t squared plus 2t plus t 2 squared 4 plus t minus 2 equal to 0. All right, so we can factorize t minus 2 out. Okay, and this side will be t squared plus 2t plus 4 plus 1, okay, equal to 0. So I'll add 1 to this to make this side 5. So we have t squared plus 2t plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so the first answer for this is t minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, t equals to 2. So that's the first answer. All right, so let's go ahead then see for t squared plus 2t plus 5. All right, so t squared plus 2t plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so let's use the almighty formula. So a equals to 1, b 2, then c equals to 5. So my t will minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. Okay, so we have t minus, so b 2 plus or minus b squared, so 4 minus a is 1, c is 5 on 2 times 1. So t is minus 2 plus or minus, so 4 minus 20. So t minus 2 plus or minus 16, 2. Minus 16 on 2. Now, we know I squared, so with the complex numbers, it's -1, okay? So square root of -1 is I. So I will be square root of -1. So this side is same as -2 plus or minus. So we have square root of -1 times square root of 16, which is the same as -16. So I've done nothing. So -2 plus or minus. So this side will be I, and square root of 16 is 4. So that will be 4i on 2. So we have -1 plus or minus 2i. So this one is rejected. Okay. All right. So So let's go back, then check the real solution. So remember, the real solution is 2. It's here, okay? The real solution is 2. So let's go back. So if the real solution is 2, look, we have y equals to t cube, okay? So if t had given us 2, okay, we'll do subtraction over there. So we have y equals to 2 to the power 3, which is 8, okay? But if I put 8 here, my x will be what? So that's the question. So we have 8 equals to x plus 5. Therefore, x equals 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So x is 3. All right, so let's verify. So the question is x plus cube root of x plus 5 equals to 5. And then x is equals to 3. So let's verify. So if I put 3 here plus 3 plus 5 equals to 5. So 3 plus cube root of, so we have 8 equals 5. So let's see if this side will give us 5. So we have 3 plus, now 8 is the same as 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. So this one will cancel. So we have 3 plus 2, which is the same as 5. So that's correct.